For this video, I'm going to talk about the important accessories that you must have for your above ground swimming pool. This is not a professional opinion. It is simply based on my experience owning this best way above ground pool for 3 years. So if you have the right accessories, it will help you maintain your pool easier, and also it's going to maximize your enjoyment and extend the life of your pool. Before we get started, please make sure to click the like button below and share this video to people you know who can benefit from this information. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to click the subscribe button to help me out. So let's get started. The number one you'll need for your above ground pool, if it doesn't come with your package, is a skimmer. Most above ground pool does not come with a built-in skimmer. So anything that goes into the surface of the water will finally end up under the water. So look here, you'll see I have some spider there and some bees as well. So you can use a screen skimmer like this one that I have, or the one with the net that is more helpful if you have a lot of leaves under the water. For me, I don't have a lot of leaf problem, and for my experience, this thing works great for me. Okay, so the next thing you'll need is a pool vacuum. The one I have is actually this one right here that I attached to the pole. So just like the skimmer, there's also different type of vacuums. You can go with an automatic vacuum, either self-propelled or a battery operated. I have this manual vacuum right here that uses a garden hose. Also, if you're going with a self-propelled vacuum, you may need to upgrade your pump filter because they usually require at least 1500 gallon per hour pump to push the vacuum around. And let's go to the third thing that you'll need. So a filter pump is not an add-on accessory, but I wanted to talk about this because there's a lot of negative opinion about the filter or the pump that comes with the pool. I can say that the pump is sufficient for most users, just like me. As long as your water is properly balanced and sanitized, the pump should be able to do its job. As you can see right now, I still have the original 530 gallon per hour pump that came with my pool, and my water remains clear. When I first set up my pool, I almost bought a new sand filter because my water is always cloudy, so I thought I'll need to upgrade the pump like most users recommended. But then after doing some research, I realized that my problem is actually my alkalinity, which causes my pH to go up. And with a high pH, the water will always turn cloudy. So after I fixed my alkalinity, I was able to keep the pool clear with this included pump. And if you can see here, this pump is actually 0.06 horsepower and 0.6 amp. And this is equivalent to about 7 watts bulb running 24 hours if you want to run it for 24 hours. But now, if you're thinking of getting a self-propelled vacuum, or even after you balance your water, you still can't keep it clean due to other factors, then you might need to upgrade to a higher gallon per hour filter. The trick with the filter is that you need to run it at a minimum of 2 complete turnovers. So, if you have a 530 gallon per hour pump like this one, for example, and you have a 2000 gallon pool water like this one, for example, you're gonna need to run the pump for at least 8 hours so you can filter 4000 gallons of water. Of course, if you upgrade to a bigger pump, let's say something like 2000 gallons per hour, then you can easily clean 4000 gallons of water in 2 hours. But the thing is, you don't want your water to be stagnant for a long time. So as much as possible, you want to run your pump at least 8 hours a day or 24 hours a day if you can. And with this pump right here, it allows me to do that because the electricity usage on this pump is very low. Also, make sure that you clean the cartridge at least once a week. So for my particular setup, I clean my filter every 5 days to keep the pump running smoothly, because if you don't clean the filter inside this pump, it will build pressure into the pump, which will cause it to become inefficient, and also a high pressure will burn the pump motor as well. Next thing you'll need is a pool cover. A pool cover will perform 3 critical duties for your pool. The first one is accident prevention, because A pool cover will prevent unattended children or animals from falling into the pool. Second is cleanliness. So a pool cover will prevent debris such as leaves, bugs, dust, and bird droppings from getting into your water and will require less vacuuming. Third will be savings. So if you cover your pool, it will prevent up to 95% of water evaporation. Keeping the evaporation down means that you don't have to keep adding water, and because you don't add much water, it will help cut down on chemical use as well. Actually, this is my cover. I just wash it. It's actually just a tarp that I purchased from Home Depot. So this next two is an optional accessory that you can have or you can add to your pool, and this will help your pool becomes cooler and warmer. So the first one is this pool heater right here. So depending on where you live, a pool heater may be a good addition for your enjoyment. I don't have a pool heater during my first year, and my kids and I still enjoy the pool. However, we only swim when the sun is up and it's hot outside. On the second year, after I added the solar heater, we were able to enjoy the pool even at nights. In fact, we are just doing night swimming now. We don't go in the morning anymore because there's no sun that burns your skin and you enjoy the pool for hours. Also, this water heater help us to extend our pool season by 2 months, so I can open the pool a month earlier and close it a month later. That's what you can do if you have a pool heater. Okay. Now, if you have a hot weather, what you can add instead of a pool heater is a pool fountain. If you need a pool fountain, you can always make your own or purchase one from Amazon. So a pool fountain or a waterfall feature will also help you in bringing the pH level up when you need to. So I hope that this information is helpful to you. And again, please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button if you have not done it yet. And if there are accessories that you think we should add to this list, please make sure to write it in the comment section below so that other viewers can benefit from it. And thank you for watching.